It's Monday, and I see on the street it's business as usual, but I haven't been to like a city centers or Venice, so I don't know what's it like in the city center. Yeah, I think people's lives are not impacted, not really affected as much. All the stores, all the supermarkets are open, the supplies are sufficient, there's no problem at all, and the government has been reassuring the citizens over and over on news that there's no problem with the supply, so don't panic, and nobody's gonna go to supermarket and grab stuff. I don't think it's gonna happen. So far in Veneto, it's been, it's comparing to Milan, it's much lower. We have so far we have 27 cases. In Milan it's over 100, I think. So it's not as scary. But then again, Venice is a tourist city, so a lot of people came to Venice. Especially these days, it was a carnival. It was supposed to be carnival the past few days, and it was cancelled. Yeah, I imagine all those people from all over the place, from Milan, from whatever infected place, and they come here, and they didn't know, right? They came here before it broke out, and they may just carry the disease and the virus, and celebrating carnivals on the street, so crowded, can be dangerous, but we don't know. So far it's all normal. I would love to go out and take a look around, see what's going on, but as far as I can see from here, there's no changes, nothing strange going on, and I don't think it's really wise to go out and shoot stuff. Like, I need to protect myself and protect other people. And what if I had the disease and I carry it around? It's irresponsible. So I don't think I want to go to a supermarket to shoot what's going on in the supermarket. It's not necessary. Not necessary. And I won't go when I run out of food. And I'll just keep calling the doctors and the health hotline. But basically, I'm staying at home because I've had contact with people who are from one of those infected towns where there was one case found. So the chance is very slim that I had virus, but nonetheless, my work requires me to stay home just to be safe. And then last night, maybe it was anxiety, maybe it was paranoia. I got a little bit, my temperature was a little bit over 37, and I was like, what the heck is going on? And maybe, when you think too much about it, it actually happens, and you actually catch a fever. Could be a psychological effect. But anyway, right now I'm totally fine, don't have any fever. I'm well under 37, about 36.2 to 36.5, something like that. And I don't think it will come back. I don't feel anything. Like, I feel totally fine, completely healthy. And I did woke up with a sore throat, so that was not good. That was a bad sign. After waking up and drank water, I'm totally fine now. But we'll see what happens next. I still need to wait for my boss to call me and inform me about the following days, if I'm gonna work or not. And I've seen news like saying there are people already scamming elderly people, like they call elder people and claim that they are from the hospital and medical professionals. They want to go check their temperature and verify if they are infected and blah blah blah. Those are scammers, so don't believe in them. It's on the news. I can't believe that there are people trying to profit, scam people during crisis like this. It's not exactly a crisis, not that severe. As you can see, people on the street are not wearing masks. I've been watching out from the window for a while, and I don't see anyone with masks. Yeah. Oh, I'll show you myself. So yeah, that's the update, and I'll keep you updated. But you can check the website. I linked below. You can translate into English with the Google Translate. It's very simple, and it's pretty much updates every hour and show you what's going on, if there's a case found anywhere, and what the government says, and all those things.